Sorry. Hey everyone. So let me grab the camera. So I wanted to take you all or show you all like a trading morning. It's Monday morning, the first trading day. My glass is crooked. It's the first trading day of the week, and I'm just going to show you all like how I set up everything. Just going to talk about like trading and everything, because it has been, over the last couple months, trading has been it's going through that phase of change also. Just like everything else is changing, trading is also changing. Trading has been around for years, maybe decades. So yeah, I'm just setting everything up. This is my charts. The pair I mainly look at is the GBP. So that's what we're gonna be looking at today. How I set everything up is I just mark off. Where's my? Here it is. I just mark off Sunday, Monday. Mark off 7. The trading times is usually around like 7 o'clock. 7 to, and you guys can see right here is where the times is, or maybe you can't, but 7 to 11 is where I try to find a trade. So I'm just gonna be talking a little trade talk. So, like I said, hopefully y'all can hear me. Okay. So yeah, trading it's been changing a lot. And also, one thing we do when we trade, we set up our broker, not set up, but we pull up the broker account, which is actually the trading platform that you're gonna trade on. Pull up my charts on trading. We're going to pull up the charts on TradingView, and then we're going to check the news and see if we have any volatile news that's going to be affecting the market. Trading is a big economic, money, stocks, companies. That's an economic? Yes, it's all of that type of stuff. And we check the news on Forex Factory. So you guys can see, hopefully, there is no major USD or GBP news. So that's either good or bad, because the markets have been moving. So this is what I've noticed. So back in like 2018, 2019, when I started trading, that's when a lot of the retail traders really hopped into the market, and it started started getting a lot of volume in the market, and a lot of retail traders, aka civilians as myself, everyday people, not like major hedge funds or Wall Street or people like that. More retail traders such as myself started hopping in the market around that time. And I feel like during that time, the market started doing different patterns and stuff like that. And what I've noticed, like with the patterns and how trading is going now, let me add context. So the end of 2023, around December last year, look, see that? 717. Yeah, you. But yeah, in December, I don't even know where to start. But in trading, like I said, I pulled up my broker page, and your broker is basically the middleman between you and the market. It's where you put your money in, you place your trades with your broker, and if you win, your broker is where you would get your money from. So we have regulated brokers and unregulated brokers. And a lot of like retail traders such as myself, we was trading unregulated brokers. So in December last year, all of these unregulated brokers made a change to where they trade in their trading platform, they got kicked off of it. So this basically messed up a lot of retail traders, is what I'm noticing. A lot of retail traders just had to slow down trading. And so since then, because back in 2018, 2019, all the way up until all the regulated brokers got clicked off of their main trading platform, the market would do different patterns than like what we was learning in 2018. Basic patterns such as, so like the basic patterns we was learning in 2018 from all of the what do you call them, like teachers. So in the teachers that was teaching us back in 2018, these are people who have been trading for longer than 2018. So they probably started trading in like 2010, 2006. So they strategies was like the basic strategies, like break of structure, support and resistance, supply and demand, like stuff like that. And I'm noticing, well, okay, let me keep going. So in 2018 to like now, the market would do like new patterns such as straight trading strategies like smart money or like liquidity grabs. And you'll notice a lot of that going on in the market. And basically what smart money or like the liquidity grabs was for the main, like the banks, the people with the money, the hedge funds, the markets. What they would do is they would grab retail traders' money, and yeah, it would be moves like that where they grab the money and then they do that. And now I'm noticing that smart money moves or liquidity grabs are not as popular like coming this year. It's been a lot of the basic moves like support and resistance or break of structures that you have to trade. You can't look for a liquidity grab. You can't really trade smart money no more because a lot of the retail traders are gone. And I was watching a video yesterday. One of the traders that kind of started trading around 2018, also like me, was talking about how all of the traders are going to like futures. Don't ask me what futures is, but I think it's like, I don't know, but everybody going to futures, or everybody trying to run around and find more unregulated brokers. I don't know why the reasons for taking the regulated brokers off, but I mean, if I was to put 5 and 7 together, I would say that back in 2018 when the demand went up and a lot of these people started finding out about trading, the demand for trading went up. So you have to put in new regulations if you're controlling or working with more people. So I mean, unregulated, because in the foreign exchange market, it's a lot of money being dealt with, and the market is not open 24/7, but the market moves by the second to all the way up to the day. So it's a lot of money being moved. There's a lot of people who hopped in the market. So eventually, things are going to have to get regulated. You can't just keep having all these unregulated people and people losing. Like, and this market is so close to gambling. It could create like addiction problems, and like it's a lot of stuff that can go into this. So having so many people on an unregulated thing and dealing with people money, it's not gonna last long. So a lot of people are just trying to find the easy way out, do this, try to figure out how to trade futures, jumping from broker to broker, and that's just not safe. So what I am doing right now, I am still trading on my unregulated broker, but I'm in the process of opening up an account with a regulated broker, and just making that good investment, because a lot of people don't like unregulated brokers because they can't leverage their whole account. A lot of people won't like regulated brokers because they want to leverage their whole account. They want to overtrade, high risk. And the thing is, with the regulated brokers, what they allow you to leverage is proper risk management. So I'm not seeing why people want to get rich overnight or anything like that, especially if you want to be in for the long run. I don't see the problem with going regulated. But a lot of these retail traders are just running around the world trying to figure it out. I haven't heard about like, and since all of this regulation and stuff is going on in the U.S., because in the U.S. is where it went viral. I don't know y'all probably know, because I know I was in IML, and if you watching me, you know me, I probably even hit you up like, hey, you trying to get some money? But yeah, in IML, it went very, that was the thing, but it went very viral, very quick, and everybody knew about trading. So, but now everybody just, like, even people, because it's just U.S. brokers, U.S. unregulated brokers. So a lot of the people are like running around the world. They're like, oh, we're going to go figure out how to trade futures. We're going to go move out the country. Like, how dramatic is that? Just so you could play with these unregulated brokers. That's crazy. And it's like, if you're in for the long run, why not go regulated? Why not put your money in something safe? So that's my touch on it. I don't understand why people are trying to like act like it's such a dramatic thing. And honestly, I feel like a lot of people are not in the market. So it's like the market is moving different than it was when all of these U.S. citizens and all of these people on these unregulated brokers was trading and just doing crazy stuff. So the market is, so far, it's only February, the year just started, not really, but it's still like calmly moving, and it's moving based off like support and resistance. It's not like a lot of liquidity grabs, not a lot of smart money moves. And right now I'm looking at the charts. Let me see. I haven't even analyzed to try to find a setup. But yeah, I just found that very interesting. Very interesting. Because so we don't have news today. And right now, okay, let me just show you how I'm analyze this and what I'm noticing. Look at this. So when you're trading, we have different charts. Like, I'm sorry, I don't know how to do the screen record and stuff. So this is, I know a lot of other traders, they got all this stuff intact. But hopefully this helps. But in the chart, we have different charts, like 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute. You want to start at the highest time frame and work your way down to find just like the main move. So yeah, this is the 4 hour. And if we zoom in to where we are today, this is like where we are. And if you're new here, I just listen. Don't even try to figure out what I'm talking about, because trading it like that. But it looked like we're at the top of this little swing, and it's just doing like a little consolidation right here. Sorry, but yeah. I'm gonna let this candle close. This is a 4-hour candle. The next candle will open at 8 o'clock. So we got like 30 minutes. So I won't rush a move. I'll see how this candle closes. The hour chart. You guys see. Oops. Yeah, I see all of this right here. It's just chilling. This is a support zone, so I'm going to mark that up on the hour chart, because those are important these days. Yeah. And what we got on the 4-hour is it's going up, but it's creating a swing right here, so it's kind of consolidating. So it could go down, but we do have this zone right here. That's what I'm noticing. 15 minute. Yeah. So we have 30 minutes. I'm gonna let, because you guys see these right here, these two lines is where I'm gonna catch a trade. This is all the past candles. So I just want to see how it react off of this zone. We got 30 more minutes. This is the 15. So I want to see how it react off this zone, to see if we're gonna buy off of this zone, or is it gonna break and we sell. And those are the type of setups that I've been noticing been happening. Ain't no liquidity grabs. Look, ain't none of that these days. I mean, sometimes you get it. Let me tell you. I probably don't even know what but sometimes you get them liquidity grabs. Sometimes you get smart money moves. But it ain't been happening. So while we wait for that, I want to let everybody know that we did drop the 717 conference tickets. So go get your tickets to the conference in Atlanta this summer. If you're into all of that, I guess I'll use the lamest terms. If you're into like spiritual stuff, astrology, psychology type stuff, networking, content creating, music, we're just having like a conference, a networking event in Atlanta this summer. It'll be in July. Follow the page on Instagram. It's 717 the numbers and conference, and you'll stay updated on everything. So yes, that's exciting, and I am gonna take y'all along as I plan it. Like I said, this is the second one, so everything is basically blueprinted out, so it's way easier, way less, oh, let me figure out this. But yeah, go buy your tickets, go get your tickets. So yeah, a lot of trading is just waiting for the setup to come to you. I like to it's a better, because trading, it's no guarantee that you're gonna win or lose. That's why risk management matters. So you want to prepare to lose. You want to know how much you are risking in your account, and it's all probability, because you can either buy or you can either sell. And yeah, you just want probability. So one of the things that I do is to heighten my probability is waiting on the trade to come to me. So just like I set up my line, my little support line, the little blue line, and I'm going to see how the market reacts off of that price. And yeah, let your trade come to you. So far it was looking like it really looks like it's giving a big consolidation. If you look like on the 4-hour chart, the whole thing just looked like consolidation. It's still inside of a zone that it's been in since December. It's still inside a zone that it's been in since December. Haven't broke out of that zone yet. Haven't broke the low. Haven't broke the high. So it's giving consolidation. It's election season. I expected more from the market, but I think this consolidation just means they trying to figure out what they could do. Some type of news is gonna move the market. Some type of economic thing is gonna move the market. Yeah. I'm interested to see what they gonna do because it's been consolidating since they started kicking off brokers. But maybe this is the new, this is the normal movement. But you know, you gotta stay consistent. Because my thing is, before all of those retail traders got into the market in 2018, people were still trading because the teachers that taught me how to trade, they've been trading since 2018, obviously, but they just traded normal strategies: support, resistance, break of structure, those regular everyday trading patterns that you guys probably learned if you Google trading patterns. You'll see like the basic trading patterns. Or it's probably new information out about like smart money and stuff like that now, but you'll see the basic patterns. But if you are a trader and you happen to click on this video, let me know what you think, because I think people should calm down, go regulated. If you can't go regulated, you probably should want to take it slowly anyways, because I feel like, I don't know, I mean, in the market you can get rich overnight, and some people just be on that. But why not want to be in the game for the long term? You know, that's what I'm thinking. Like, y'all trying to move out the country just so you could over leverage in the market. It's crazy. That is crazy. Like, people, man, we really out here trying to survive. It's crazy. Now, I can't have this video running too long, so I'm gonna stop it, and around 8 o'clock we gonna come back, and I'm gonna show you guys how it reacted off of that zone I marked up, and just what I'm gonna do next. Because honestly, well, I guess the market has been giving moves, but you know, it's moving different, so you just gotta pay more attention. So yeah, I'm gonna come back at 8 o'clock and alright, so apparently when I looked at, it is 8 o'clock, y'all. It's 8 o'clock. Apparently I looked over something. So I looked at the Forex factory. It does say that today is a bank holiday, but I had hopped on Instagram and somebody who be trading was like, oh, it's President's Day. President's Day? They said that was like a while ago people was talking about that. So I don't know if the market is gonna even be moving a lot today. So as far as placing a trade goes, I don't know. I feel like the market is gonna be moving really slow I might just place a trade, put a stop loss and a take profit, see if it win or not, just because I started the video. But this is what it's looking like now. It did go under my zone and it's under there now, so let's see. Oh. Hey. So yeah, it did go under the line and now it's under. So I'm gonna just place a sell since it's respecting this zone, and we will see. I'm gonna be back and show y'all if it sells or not, if I win the trade or not. It is President's Day, so the market is gonna probably move slow or just do random. Back and update y'all on the trade. Okay, y'all, so like I said, it's President's Day. I am in profit. I am in profit in this trade, but I'm finna get out. This is the blue line, is underneath it. I mean, I could set a stop loss in TP and let it sit for today. I mean, I could do that. I'll set a stop loss in TP, but this is the end of this video. It's President's Day. I'm gonna trade with y'all again when it's not a holiday, supposedly. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah. Peace. So here are the results of the trade. You guys, it ended up, I ended up getting out, but it did go down. I would have still been in it because it didn't really go, I don't know. But yeah, that's the results.